Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can send Ethereum from Coinbase to Uniswap. So what you will do is, of course, you have to make sure that your Coinbase account has ETH and your wallet is actually connected to Uniswap. And first, of course, you will have to log into your Uniswap, to your Coinbase, and then you will go to the portfolio section, and then you will click Ethereum, and then you will click send, and then you will enter your receiving wallet address that is connected to Uniswap. And then after that, you will just have to input the amount of ETH and then to send and review network fees. And then you will have to confirm the transaction with a two-factor authentication if required. And finally, what you will have to do is just wait for the blockchain confirmation and check your wallet balance in Uniswap. Double check the wallet address before sending. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.